What's going on, YouTube? Justin here, aka Goofy Skating Lifestyle, back at it again with another unboxing video. Today, I've got another part that I purchased for the Miata project. I'm gonna turn you guys around. Boom. Here is the box. You guys want to guess? Go ahead and guess. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys and explain further once I open the box. Let's get my chair set up here. All right, we got the box. I don't have a knife on me, so I'm just gonna have to open it just like so. I am excited. It's just a small little add-on detail that I got off eBay for dirt cheap. So that's the only reason why I bought it. Thought it would look cool and finish the exterior. We got a little duckbill Rocket Bunny style spoiler for the trunk lid, as you can see here. I guess Rocket Bunny style, whatever you want to call it. It'll look sick with the KBD kit. Obviously, I'm gonna paint it the red that I painted the car with and put the sparkly clear coat on it. But that is what it looks like. The Miata is in the garage right now with the trunk up, only because I have a truck tire sitting in the trunk of it. Because this garage is so small, I have to store that in the Miata too. Anyway, enough yapping. I'm probably going to be putting tap screws in it around and drilling in the trunk lid instead of using these rivets, only because I used tap screws to install the KBD side skirts. That is it for today's video. I probably won't be doing anything about this until the springtime, but until the next video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.